Okay, everyone, it's time to introduce Kenzey, a barbering graduate from North Ogden. Cosmetology and barbering are two of the most popular programs on campus, and seats fill quickly. This is no surprise when you hear how OTECH's expert instructors and experience-driven learning model helped Kenzey make an impression on a national stage. And Kenzey, we also heard that the president only gets his haircut from you. Please take it away.
Thanks, Alex. Hey everyone! When senior year rolled around, I had no idea what I wanted to do. So I went to the school counselor who told me about Ogden-Weber Technical College. The barbering program really caught my attention. I had never cut hair in my life, but the barbering instructors were amazing and it was all hands-on training. They taught me everything from the science behind what barbers do to the best methods for cutting hair. Every day I learned something new and made sure I mastered each skill, which really helped when I took those skills to a national competition. The SkillsUSA Championships showcases over 6,000 of America's most highly skilled career and technical education students who compete head-to-head in 115 events. I was up against the top barbering students from every state. Thanks to everything my instructors taught me, I came home with a gold medal.
Kenzey Hadley from Utah.
This championship was an amazing experience. It helped my confidence and honestly changed my life. The barbering program got me out of my bubble and brought out a skill in hair cutting that I would have never known I had. Not only did I learn a world-class skill, but I also made a lot of friends. My experience at OTECH definitely helped me in my career. In fact, I'm now going back for the Cosmetology Program. The time Ogden-Weber Technical College and the instructors invested in me made me the barber I am today. When I first started college, I couldn't have imagined that I would become a national champ and learn as much as I did. From never cutting hair to seeing where I am now, my experience really shows how Ogden-Weber Technical College helps you gain the skills to succeed in whatever career you choose. Back to you, Alex.
President Taggart, you are looking fantastic with that new cut. And Kenzey, your experience shows that an OTECH certificate gives graduates unbeatable skills to excel in their careers. Congratulations on your win, and thanks again.